Alright, so I'm back with another video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm back with another video. I got this on. Get some breakfast, I wanna eat. And then I think I'm gonna cut my hair. Probably from the title, you probably will see I'm gonna cut my hair. But yeah, I've been going because, or you guys have been kind of wondering what I've been doing. I've been doing Forex. Like I do Forex, and I'm not new to it and everything. I know y'all, like some people have been asking me about it, but that's what I do, especially in this time and everything. So I'm taking it more seriously now and whatnot. So if you are interested in that, leave like a comment or something, like let me know. But yeah, a lot of my time has been going to that, so I do apologize. But you know, I'm still not going nowhere. Like I'm still gonna be uploading. I'm still gonna upload, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna give y'all some fire content. So, but yeah, I've been looking at charts and stuff like that and trading pairs. That's really what I've been kind of focusing on. But yeah, I'm pretty much back now. So, and I got a new memory card, so I can film. I can continuously film and talk, like, and without it cutting out. So, to get that changed, I need to, you know, we need to get that in so, you know, we don't burn up in a potential fire. But yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast, and I'm gonna take you with me, because I'm gonna go eat and everything. So yeah, let me go do that. Another thing, man, order some of these, bro. These have been getting me through everything. Like, order you some of these, bro. Alright, thank you. We paid $7 for it. I'm alright. Thank you. Alright. I think it's crooked. Hold on. So, got my breakfast. Got the breakfast. I don't know why it's like literally, but do y'all want vlogging style videos, or y'all like it don't matter? Like I'm not understanding what exactly y'all want from me. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to make sure I give y'all good content that y'all want to watch, because I don't know what type of vlogs I should do, like what type of vlogs y'all want to see. And then two, like a lot of people still aren't familiar with YouTube, like in the sense of like how it works and you know, being on camera and stuff. So this is new to me. Like I don't know if I really want to throw a camera in somebody's face, like that I'm around, like in public and stuff like that. Like people have to understand that YouTube is a little bit different. So I don't know. This is thought. I just was wondering. All right, so basically right now we're about to cut my hair. All right, so I'm tired of dealing with it. So I got you know what I'm saying, I already got the Torino Pro. I'm gonna be using these wall right here. Yeah, so I got these are wall clippers. You know, I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $30. I might link it down below if y'all are interested. And this is a 1. Yeah, this has to be a 1. It's like a 1 guard. So I only use a 1.5. Like 1.5. Like you really don't need too many guards. Like it's just really not that big of a deal. And another thing too that I wanted to say, like when you woofing your hair, like when you are woofing your hair, your hair's not gonna always be perfect and laid down. So just because your hair is wild doesn't mean that you don't have waves. Just, you know, keep up with it. But that's not a bad thing. Your hair is crazy. It's not a bad thing at all. You know what I'm saying? It's just your hair is growing and that's normal. It's not gonna always be perfect. So that doesn't mean you necessarily lost progress. But That's all it is combing and it's getting lower. Okay. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can really see completely. Hold on one second. Let me start work. Look, I just found out that you screw this so it doesn't move. You screw it. I didn't know that. And I've been cutting my hair with it. And I was wondering if it was just the clippers. So it's not clippers. You just have to screw this. You have to screw that. If you screw that, you're gonna be good. Like, if you're trying to cut your own hair, screw this. If you're trying to cut your own hair, screw this. Oh yeah, I know y'all see the whole, y'all see the waves a little bit. Wait till I put this do-rag on. It's gonna go crazy. But yeah, you just gotta, for real. Oh, wait. So yeah, I here, but this is the end of the video. This is the end. Make sure you subscribe. We're just not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna cut the cameras off and we'll go about our day. And I don't want to hear about it. I want to talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it. And I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, that's the end. Yeah, be safe.